Iya, ni anda bilang aturan ni teleu.
Toto na kemro right.
Iya.
Ori disu kemro na bula. Iya, ori tan suami kemro na ololo.
Kuna ololo sa rebuke.
Toto ko din aswati tokar to men.
Beke munita yang ngaro taman relebu.
Iya.
Taman ralanta.
Ayo
Iya.
kemuni. Toto na sa to gorbe kemuni. Iya. Ay, caray. Iya. Ya beraka total sing ni takata ni ko na buka. Singa lagi ning karami tabi baka naman to na nonta panua. Pabibio suba.
Oh, iyo.
Ni super
Rugby.
Iya.
Gorong teman.
Begitu kita lebih kembali kata turang marama turun ngono le ni anda di mata benak. Ser na manga ada benak ada mata di ko meli ni ada level baka ni west male.
Wow.
Ada mata ka benak ini ko ada dems ada benak sem.
Anda benak tahu, anda benak dems.
Iya.
Lu benak
Iya.
Iya.
Ada meli bikin bro.
Meli ko ya.
Oke, ada benak sem,
Anda benak tahu,
ada benak dems.
Oh, ro benak reming to yanra. Iya. Boleh benak sandu serau.
Iya.
Oke mun to.
Oke beli.
Aurento ni mo sa
boleh tengok naso te kotokar ti kumsandoya.
Iya. Kuan ni, kuni lain den do na yatang boleh tong minggo.
Iya, na seran gori.
Iya, dong boleh benak to yanra. Na mga boleh kartu nga berto na geng gorto siya mato may be iyo. Be Melisalin, kerto nam do geng dong boleh benaka pa imbital to nga berto na barong sarti ko minggo may hindi na manitasiri. Na bure-bure. Sene bure-bure. Lo malimba ni Koribuli mabo district school Rewangan nan ronga o masta chobe sa turanga kula leo ni vale ni Mrs turanga kula kama bibital nga beketo na seren ko na bure-bure
Iya.
pambuli tani ko lo mani korba turanga bita mai ebi turanga kula na mata ka na ko
Bro yana benak talaga na mata ko.
iya dong bulan
Ori benak kan bitol ngunisal bikin na wake station di sama cuma bitol ngunisal bito kan belum. Umar night.
They
Sera yang baki delea nangita. Na maya lo binaka.
Dina
May nawakan nanti sama cuma na mata ka di bakatan bising ni ko.
Teksa umbul benaka may na Grida Security Services Oxfam Clinic Suba Jonathan Nikor may British Columbia may Canada.
Oh, Canada. Pemimpin na turangan ni Willie, usang ulit na na.
Iyo.
Karo TJ.
Iyo.
Sama cuma korbo, sa mga cuma na matali ko. Kaya nang turangan ni Lambasa.
Right ya?
Sengkangka.
Iyo.
Tambia.
Tambia. Sa nga tuni kila melusuna korba wa chini berto.
Oh, ndey.
Ndey. Sengay na korchu ngay tay.
Senga kunilang katangol.
Na korchu kita.
Lagi na buti kini bos kondo na buti ni bola tambo. Na bunong buto ka sanong.
Sengay ya Tambia.
Ya, baru ko ni pero na ruwa bita may say. Pati kay sir may babay na buni ngol stalti ko Australia. En matabi na ende day.
Uso siya sem. Tarun kim ni matali ko. Wala mo churo na mantung manelo.
Iya, manele wa rombul bina sika. Onne ni batike imbuna.
Neni batike imbuna. Anda si kim raw.
Iya.
Tin ro warong cuma cinai.
Cirinabit.
Kerker. Sapo sika nom duta.
Iya.
Pagli buta san rechon bicu kan talingan ro mero rongot cian to men ruta.
Okay.
Ngore balita ko na bueng kasi.
Betul be emilusi ke senada na ya dalam bahasa. Kami bibe simen tawara. Walolong na mo siya masarto mengko may quit.
May quit.
Iyo.
Duar benak. Ni bulu benak lu bibiti.
Iya.
Di siapa tu mana biasa buru-buru na mata benak di kuat. Oh, makita le na marama. Kirau Chuk State Hospital. An rampong itu kana ono gobyerno ni sini. Maybe makita le na. Kana Chuk State Hospital.
Amerika?
O sige turo. Makita lang na kira-kira ngi ba matatamay siya bilang pekara puno chiki na gurin na balik bulo gurin.
Today is the day everybody was waiting for.
For what?
The hour is coming. The hurricane is near. Landrua is leaving.
Category boy, Peter category.
Category 5 or category 7? Rua doesn't matter. He will sailing whenever what kind of weather is arriving in our shore. We need to participate in every occasion of shouting, cheering in a well-mannered voice coming from your heart.
Wait, you very good English, man.
Yeah. Kuni father there ya.
Don't live it up.
Everybody was waiting 7:05 p.m. this afternoon. Before then, 4:35. It's a semi-final of the women's team. Women's team.
Right.
And also to the Ndrua, the big one. Our male version will playing the 7:05 against the Hurricanes. Our male version. Yeah. Thank you. We will cheer them. We will cheer them. This is the first time to happen in Suban this season.
Yeah.
Everybody gonna cheer the Fijian team, the Rua,
Yeah.
because we all know the team.
Yeah.
Without us,
Yeah.
without them,
Yeah.
without we are playing.
Yeah.
We are no more. Kasi ngayon na singo kanda sentaw doko.
Meron na Stacos High Sniper.
Yeah.
Parang sa simigo na train station Iparamata.
Sandina.
Meron na Stacos High Sniper. Meron ko. Kiron, what happened?
An happen is coming.
Yeah, okay.
You need to come forward to see.
Okay, what's the main weapon like the Hurricane team will use against Danrua? Let me see.
The major weapon they use
Yeah.
is 7-7 out of 7 out of 7.
Oh, okay.
That's the main one.
Yeah.
And the second one, from number 1 to number 15, they are full force. They are full force this team, Hurricanes. They've been met several.
Tingko rin sa promote ng Talil TV Force.
Arong.
Full Hurricane. Dito si Hurricane.
The-
From number what?
No, from number 1 from Hurricane.
Yeah.
Hurricane now
Yeah.
is coming. They don't want to lose in this ground.
Yeah.
They want to maintain the 7 out of 7.
Right.
This one
Yeah.
will be 7 out of 8. These are prophesy from today. 7 out of 8. Take my words, mark my words. Dede Avu. Dede Avu.
And this one can see.
Yeah.
I want to prophesy today.
Yeah.
The Hurricane will lose in our playground.
Yes,
Yes, this is a true story. Mark my words.
Okay. What will the Nruo do? What should the Nruo do to mendamokin na matatim ni Hurricanes?
Hold the ball every time. Kunin doon ano to ball on Hurricanes.
Maro na Paul.
Keep the ball, maintain the ball.
Right.
Every meters, every penalty
Yeah.
face to
The post.
the post. Lagi tayo mata-mata.
Oh, okay. Donut chance ni penalty mata.
Open play with Rua will be that's our main weapon. The open play.
Okay.
No, because Demes is talking about his experience, eh?
Yeah. Hindi kaya nandaw gito may ratulog.
Yeah, with the William Ryder.
Nalawado.
O siya sa at main gito yung si Lumabuna.
Iya.
Ito kay imbes na ay
You too small.
Yes, yes.
Ito tukon ko ni kuha. Iko na may baklo siya ito ching.
I was like this.
Yeah.
As again, we have to cheer our team now because Hurricanes, we all know the Hurricanes is Hurricane. Eh?
Yeah.
They visit our place now.
Yeah, di na sir.
So,
Yeah.
Rua
Yeah.
is at the advantage of the Rua because of the supporters.
Right.
The supporters.
Yeah.
Whenever we shout,
Yeah.
they open up.
Right.
Ertugir.
Right.
Iyo.
Okay. Doon na mitutug bera ng daw di ba doon sarang kita na matali ko. Nambimbini tabi chulo bera ng kulo to turbo.
The heavyweightiness of your responsibility in the playground is you.
Right.
Without you in the playground, if you are double-minded, make sure go to the playground.
Yeah.
The weather is given, the wind is blowing,
Right.
the rain is stopped,
Yeah.
the sun is shine.
The feeling is there.
The feeling is
The
you.
heart is there.
The heart is our.
Yeah.
Come forward,
Come forward.
please.
Yeah.
Let's go and take our hands together
Yeah.
and cheer our team. There is no other. Lauto ka 3 times from this season. Lauto ka 3 times this season. This is the first time in Suba.
Yeah.
Please maintain the unbeaten in our playground of Suba.
Okay. But bro lost in Lotok.
Lost in Lauto ka, that's all blues last year.
Okay.
No one lift up the playground here at the HSBC back stadium.
See?
So today is the day.
Today is the day.
Yeah.
We need your support. We need your help.
But Hurricanes too wants to win.
Yeah, if they want to win,
Yeah.
we win first today. Yeah.
You win first, eh?
Yeah, we win first. Win.
Yeah.
Everybody need your support.
Okay. The discipline is the key for them bro.
That's the one.
Okay. The
That's-
message.
Discipline is the key.
Yeah.
D for the Messi,
Yeah.
D for discipline,
Yeah.
D for drone.
D for defense.
D for defense.
D for drone.
Yeah.
Kan cinta sarang ya?
Yeah.
Discipline is the key today, boys.
Yeah.
Guys.
Right. Discipline. Discipline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala sila kung tara matali ko.
Right.
D for apa?
D for the Messi,
Yeah.
D for discipline,
Yeah.
D for defense,
Yeah.
D for drones.
Yeah.
D for do or die. Yeah. Right. Right. Kita mito sa ba?
Ano na po?
Yo.
Ano mo lang sa ito kaya naman taga Nenday?
Pinabalik BSP ba't kay Punjes? Unsecured personal loan ba't kay proud sponsors of the Fijian Rua?
Ano na po? Highlanders sawi ni wati HFC.
Yeah, that's last year. This year.
Iya.
Hoi, wala.
Yeah, that's last year.
Iya. This year.
We
This
talking
year.
about this year.
We about on this year. Nobody leaves this playground.
Ano nak siya na.
Highlanders the year before last year.
Iya.
Oh, the year
Yeah.
before last year.
Yeah, that's Highlanders. Last year no.
Iya. Brother Mike ano binak? Basta ko sa snap, simsar siguro may na train station. May paramat.
Right, do
Ano
muna.
binak na gurbi to kada matal. Pero tabi kimene no kada romo. Dalam kikala ba karon tamad tim yana singo binani ko. Ada sangit siguro men labit na kita na no to gito non drua.
Yeah.
Ato mi bakit to kamada on dua, to
Gori.
set tale. Lalu tale na to mol molume na sa tapat kada tim ni Fos.
Bahkan tua.
Dakla to na talo ng kita. Haya, do tale di tambimbi to matanda to. And simi raw na itabi. Itabi dendre. Ya raw ba raw ta kan non tale kikala begitu. And ang bongi sarani ko. Double head. Atau lucu nanda ngone leo.
Yeah.
Tim ni Rooster Chicken, Fiction Rua, atau nama suatu tim batakin atau nama leo di tim ni Fos,
Gori.
sanochi ada tim ni Hurricanes, batakin tim ni Swaship Fiction Rua, and ya kami mbongi sarang ani kuah.
Kito me kito sada ba.
Na boleh usah beto kali kalau nomor borong boleh mai, saya takan juga video lega go, dan boleh like dan nomor hak dan nama takan di kuah, mereka pernah taga biru ngol dom tali kina go kurumundu,
Eh, sam turun tani goi.
Gonde miss.
di keluar kata,
Bye bye.
mau di